If you've ever purchased one of these, which is the Bootstrap Farmer 6L, the question that we get asked quite a lot is, how do you uppot from here? So these are quite small, and it doesn't take long for the plants to outgrow it, especially if it's something that, like a tomato or a chili, where it needs that long grow. These are great for getting your planting started and not taking up too much real estate, especially when you're working inside and trying to keep them warm when you live in a cold climate. So I thought I'd show you today with a couple that I'm ready to uppot. This is a couple of Echinaceas. It was just some seeds I had left over, and I actually didn't expect them to germinate because they've been sitting around for quite some time. But we've got two here. Right, and as you can see, it's got some nice healthy roots sitting here. I could leave it in there for a bit longer if I wanted to, but all you do is find your finger and pop it, and it pops up just like that. And there is your beautiful Echinacea plant and really healthy roots. They haven't wound round and round and round, even though these have been sitting in the container for a little while. And what we do is we've got here a couple of bigger containers, and this one has got some gold coat, which you can buy from Mitre 10. I find it's a really good all-round, really good mix. Just poke a little hole in, pop it in, pot it up. Next one. And you're not disturbing any of the roots, you're not damaging anything while doing it. Make a hole, tuck it in, and there you go. Give those a quick water. I hope this helps answer the question on how to uppot from your 6Ls with the air pruning, and happy gardening everyone.